Today I am going to discuss Oracle function. Create function in Oracle. This is a create or replace function and function name. Here parameters, we have to give input parameters or output parameters. Return type function having is as so pipe symbol, declare section and begin execution section and exceptional and end function. Here function name and same end function. This is a function is a subprogram that is used to return a single value. You must declare and define a function before invoking. It can be declared and defined at a same time. Can be declared first and defined in the sum block, later defined later in the sum, defined later in the same block. Okay, input parameters, to pass the value to subprogrammers, it return a value to caller. Okay, input output, it pass an initial value to subprogrammer and return update value to the caller. Okay, now create or replace a function adder. Okay, number, we are passing a number in input parameter, type is number, n1 n2 input parameter, return type number. Okay, same way we have syntax also, return and return type. We are using a return type, data type is a number. Okay, is we are declared n3 number and n1 we are using these parameters n1 and n2 in subprogrammer, n1 and n2 n3 again return to n3. Okay, this way we are going to create one function. Okay, already this function add function is there. Okay, what I am going to do, I am going to take one more workspace. Okay, I take a new workspace. Just I am going to create or replace. Already function is there. I am going to replace. See here, function adder compiled. Okay, now function adder is compiled. Create or replace a function. Function name is adder. Here input parameters n1 and n2 we are passing. Return type, data type is number, is beginning section. Here n3 we are n1 n2 we are assign a value to n3 n3 we are returning. Okay, this way we are now write another program to call function. Now we are writing another. See here, declare and beginning, declare number n2 and add function. We are calling add function. Okay, we are passing two input parameters, assigning n3. Okay, same way we are printing n3 value also. Okay, now enter here. Here we use set server. Oh, sorry. Set server output on. Set server output on. Okay, we have to use this function. Now I am going to select this total. Just click here this button. See here, add line. Addition is 33. Here n3 value is return value is here we are printing dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. Okay, now I am going to change 100. Okay, just I am going to give 100 and 22. Again I am going to see here. We have to select this set server output on. Okay, select this button. Okay, now you are going to click run button. See here what happened, declare M3. Oh, here we using number size. I have to increase. Okay, 3. Okay, now it will be I am using 3 digits. Okay, now see 3 digits. If we are using 2 digits, what it is showing? Just clear. Just I am going to set. Okay, see here the declare number 2. Okay, integer larger than 99 to a variable. Okay, it is a value null to a variable declare not null. Okay, this way we always give. I am going to give 20 size. If you 20, it will accept 20 variables, 20 digits. Okay, see here. This way we are completing. Here what we done? Just what is the syntax? Create or replace function. Okay, function adder. Function name is adder. We are using 2 input parameters. Here see, we are adder in 2 input parameters. Return type, return is beginning, declare section n3. These numbers we are storing n3. Okay, return n3 begin and end. Okay, this way we are declare one number. We are declaring same we are calling add function. This way we are completed function. Okay, another program, another Oracle function examples. Here we using another function programming. Okay, just I am going to copy. Okay, now this is a very big program. Try to understand. Okay, what I am going to do, I am going to declare 3 numbers function name. Okay, we are using 2 parameters, return number. Okay, here we are checking it's greater than y, then we are assigning, otherwise else z, otherwise we are assigning y value is big. This condition is true, we are assigning x value is big, otherwise y value is big. Return z, we are assigning z. Okay, this is end, begin and end. Okay, again we are beginning one more beginning function. Okay, here in the above we are declare section and finding 2 numbers in which number is big. Okay, actually we are going to run this declare, sorry, use this button. What I am going to do, I am going to select, okay, declare. Oh, sorry, I think I have to select complete part beginning. here maths 45, maths number is 45. Here try to understand this process. Okay, here beginning end again is using two beginnings and end. Okay, we are using one. Beginning function beginning function pragma procedures unusual. Okay, this is a beginning. I to declare. Okay, in this declare what is the beginning and end. This is try to understand here only what is the concept. A simple here beginning and declare. Oh, in this declare we using a procedure. Okay, here separately using create function. In this second program what we done, declare inside we are using declare beginning and end. Okay, same way we go declare beginning this is a function, this is a procedure part. Okay, here declare beginning and end. This is a declare section. In this declare section, declare beginning end. This is a declaration. In this part we are using procedure also. Function direct we are using function and function name and return type number is here we are declaring the jet number. Again beginning section. In this beginning section we are using if z. Okay, this way we are using. Same way we can change the values also. Here I am going to use 230. Now I am going to run. Okay, see here 230 is a big value. This way we are completing. dbms underscore output dot put underscore line maths number. Okay, here also we can give same output. Now control enter. See here 330 is a big value. This way here it will be easy. See here function part. Okay, declaration part. In this declaration one of the we are using a function. This is a complete declaration section. We are declare three numbers. There is no size. C is using find maths value. In this we are assigning a function, maths function. Maths function we are calling in declaration beginning and end. In a declaration section we are calling maths function. This is a maths function having a two input parameter. Here using is and we are using greater than x greater than y. If x is big, assigning x is condition is false, we are using else part. Okay, this way we are returning z. Okay, in this function having a return number, same number we are returning z. This way we are completing the function. What is the another Oracle function example? In this declaration section we are using one function. Same way Oracle function example using tables. using tables also going to using tables we will see next video. Okay, Oracle function using a table we can see next video.